Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best commercial cotton candy machine that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ANFIRE Cotton Candy Machine. For an entry-level commercial machine to make cotton candy, this ANFIRE can produce up to 4 servings per minute. The heavy-duty motor, stainless steel bowl, and spinning head turn traditional flossing sugar into delicious cotton candy. Customers described how easy it is to make cotton candy with this machine. A sugar scoop is included, making it easier to pour the flossing sugar into the spinner head. One reviewer wrote, "This machine is so easy to use, and clean up is easy as well. In just 2 minutes, you will have real cotton candy." Moving on at number 4, we have the VIVO Cotton Candy Machine. This VIVO CANDYV001 machine can make delicious cotton candy from your favorite hard candies or directly from floss sugar thanks to its unique extractor head. It can make as much cotton candy as necessary for a party or event, producing up to 3 servings per minute. One buyer who uses this machine commercially wrote, "At first I considered a machine with a temperature knob and more expensive devices. Turns out this device has a thermal switch that keeps the head at the same temperature, so there doesn't appear to be a need for heat control. The device has a number of safety features I was surprised to see on a machine at this price point." At number 3, we have the Nostalgia Professional Cotton Candy Cart. One of the best cotton candy machines for kids' parties, this Nostalgia Candy Cotton Machine has a vintage design and brings back memories of days gone by. Simply add sugar floss or hard candy and use one of the 6 reusable cotton candy cones to produce fluffy cotton candy. The cones can be stored in the cone shelf and all parts can be easily stored in the included storage compartment. "We have a small business company, and all of our clients have said great things about this cotton candy machine," reported one happy customer. "It makes the fluffiest cotton candies out there." At number 2, we have the VIVO Pink Electric Commercial Cotton Candy Machine. Unlike other machines, this cotton candy maker from VIVO has a built-in drawer for storing cash and other small necessities, and it also has large wheels for easy transport, making it ideal for commercial use at an amusement park or similar. The large 20-inch stainless steel bowl makes delicious cotton candy in a hygienic way using traditional flossing sugar or hard candies. This machine includes a sugar scoop and makes up to 3 servings of cotton candy per minute. "I recommend this unit for light commercial use," explained one satisfied buyer. "Worked perfectly. Used it for 2 fundraisers so far and some personal use, and it worked great." And finally at number 1, we have the Nostalgia Cotton Candy Machine. Kids love this cotton candy maker from Nostalgia with its retro design. It's a big hit as a first machine for someone to learn how to make cotton candy from hard candy or flossing sugar, and it fits nicely on a kitchen counter. If you don't have too much space at home or a venue, let's say for an indoor party, then this is the best machine thanks to its compact size. It isn't a commercial-grade machine, but it's adorable and a great starter machine as far as cotton candy machines go, and it comes with 2 reusable cones. "It is super easy to use," raved one shopper. "I love it so much. It's small but cute. It came in fast. I can't wait to use it for the birthday party." Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.